Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have this brand new Bburago F1 1:43 scale 2-pack of the Oracle Red Bull Racing featuring the 2025 Red Bull seasonal livery along with the special livery that Red Bull ran for the Japanese GP last year. This is one of the three other newly released 2-pack sets, the other two being Ferrari and Mercedes. So anyways, let's open this up and see the two models up close. Alright, so getting this out of the box took me quite a while, but here we have the Red Bull 2025 seasonal livery and the Japanese GP special livery. So let's just start with the original livery first. We'll start with the front wing. The front wing details are very sharp and clear, no section as well. The number one for Max. Very clear details on the whole halo section over here. The underflooring has that carbon fiber looking finish to it. It looks very good. The Oracle and Red Bull branding on the side looks good. The rear wing looks great as well with the Gate.io and Oracle branding. The base is plastic and has these holes to either hang it or place it on the stand it comes with. The wheels are medium compound Pirelli P0 wheels. However, the wheels feel stiff for rubber wheels, but I guess it's decent regardless. Alright, so there we have it for the seasonal livery. Now let's check out the main highlight of this 2-pack, which is the Japan GP special livery. And it comes in this beautiful plain white metallic finish. It looks really good. The livery is basically the same as the seasonal one, but the colors have been replaced with the white and red accents. This livery was used in the Japan GP to honor the final year of partnership between Honda and Red Bull. 2025 served as the final year Honda made power units for Red Bull, and now we know Red Bull have partnered with Ford for this new season. So this 2-pack is really nice since we get an actual special livery model, considering the Ferrari Miami GP special livery is a bit similar to their seasonal one. And for Mercedes, you can't even count British GP livery as a special one since it's basically the same as their seasonal. Anyways, what are your thoughts about this 2-pack? Comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. I'll see you in the next one.